Headers and footers can display things like the page number, date, or company name in the top and bottom margins of your document. Not only do they make that information easier to reference, they also add a nice professional touch. To insert a header, footer, or page numbering, start by going to Insert, then select Header and Page Number. I'd like to show you how headers work first. Your cursor appears in a special area set off from the rest of the document. Here you can add your information. In this example, we're going to include the name of the organization and the title of the document. We're also going to add some formatting to the header using familiar options like font color and size. These are the same commands you use to format regular text, so they're very easy to use. When you're done, press the Escape key on your keyboard or click anywhere else in the document. This will disable editing the header or footer so you can continue working. To re-enable editing, click the header again. Now, I forgot that I wanted to add page numbers to my header. If you want the word page to be included, go ahead and type that now. Now go to Insert, hover over Header and Page Number, then select Page Number. You'll see 4 options for the page number placement. You can choose the top of the page or the bottom of the page. You can also have the page numbers start after a cover page. In this example, I want the page numbers to be at the top of the page. You can also add the page count to your header or footer, which will display the total number of pages in your document. All you have to do is type the word "of" after the page number, then go back to Insert, and this time choose Page Count from the menu. And there we go. Let's scroll down so you can see how it works. Of course, this is page 1, and here we have page 2 out of 3 pages total. There, I think I'm finished with my newsletter. Now you know how to enhance your document using headers, footers, and page numbers.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.